Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Still using spreadsheets to track leads? Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you how to track leads step by step using Pipedrive, one of the simplest CRMs for small teams and startups. Start by setting up a sales pipeline. Each stage represents a part of your sales journey, like new lead, contacted, demo scheduled, proposal sent, closed. You can add leads manually or import them in bulk. Include contact info, lead source, company, and notes. Each lead gets a timeline. You can log calls, emails, set reminders, and attach files, all in one place. Use filters and labels to segment your leads, maybe by priority, product interest, or location. This makes it easier to follow up strategically. And that's it. Tracking leads in Pipedrive is easy, visual, and saves you hours every week. If you're ready to simplify your sales process, try Pipedrive.
To Pipedrive
Links in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.